Hello guys, welcome to Smart Creative Zone. How are you? Today we are going to make puffed rice chaat. It will prepare in few minutes. It is a good snack. If you have made it one time, you have made it several times because it is so delicious that your kids, family members, your friends demand it again and again. So please watch this video till end. Kurkure, spices, raw mango paste. Add some water and it's ready. So guys, first of all we take a big bowl and put puffed rice into it. Then we add other ingredients like bhujia namkeen, kurkure. We add kurkure like this. Then take a plate and put the onion into it and all the spices like red chili powder, black salt and regular salt, chaat masala, cumin powder, and make a perfect paste. Add raw mango paste also and mix well. Mix it properly. Then we add all the spices into the bowl and mix it properly. And raw mango paste also. Mix well. Some peanuts and bhujia namkeen. Now it's ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.